So we'll barricade and say face, just call her Kate, because her name might bring things too close to my truth. Oh, but it seems to me like it's always been Katie that's got me singing these blues. And it's always been Kate with her claws stuck in my chest and my heart beneath her shoes. So I guess I'll confess it's always been Katie that I've been singing to. And I once lived in a town, if you want to call it a town, but it really wasn't too much to even speak about. There were houses and hills and a few decent people, and it was easy enough to try to live simple till the poisons came and laid kids to waste, and the town just became another strangely lit grave. All the houses and hills turned from moonshine and pills to a bathtub kids would make smoke and sing. Tell me, where were our parents? Where the fuck were our teachers? Like they just turned their backs and kept wagging their fingers till the children had children and the trouble ran deeper. Now the whole fucking town is nothing to speak of. There was Kate, oh fuck Christ, there was Kate, and the way that she floated through the mess of this place. It was the untapped grace of Kate at 14, waltzing with nightmares who dance into dreams. It was Kate, it is Kate, it'll always be Kate, until I lose my name, until I find my grave. It was Kate, it is Kate, it'll always be Kate, with a wrecking ball behind her and a smile on her face, singing on. Singing I don't need to be saved. Barricade and save face, just call her Kate, because her name might bring things too close to the truth. But it seems to me like it's always been Katie that's got me singing these blues. It's always been Kate with a claw stuck in my chest and my heart beneath her shoes. So I guess I'll confess it's always been Katie that I've been singing